Yo, what's up guys? You guys ready for another van build episode? Today we're going to be installing this side ladder from Flatline Van Company. See that right there? That's what we're doing. See that? Let's go. Alright, let's see what we got in the box. Alright, so before we start, let's inventory our parts. Alright, we got the top half of the ladder. We got the bottom half of the ladder. We got the mounting plate. We got 2 couplers. We got 5 3/8 button head screws. It also came with an Allen key. 10 flat washers. 5 3/8 nylon screws. 9 self-drilling screws. 8 1/4-inch button head screws. And this also came with an Allen key. Time to assemble. We're gonna get this face down. Face down. All right, here's the bottom couplers. Right here. These are the ladder holders. So this is the Flatline Van Company Low Pro roof rack. These are the holes to mount the ladder. Let's go mount it. Regulators, mount up. All right. Let's see if my big old head fits under here. All right, I'm gonna go tighten up these bolts up here. All right. I'm gonna use this 1/8 drill bit and I'm gonna drill some pilot holes for these self-locking bolts. There we go. Looks good. Let me try it out. Pretty happy with that side ladder. We got it from Flatline Van Company. We also got the roof rack, the Low Pro roof rack. Next project is the awning. See you then. Peace.